I think AI po, it's a very powerful tool. Personally, strong believer po ako ng innovation. I think it's really important. Not at the expense of yung ninanakaw na yung identity ng mga artists, very unethical. And I think it should be illegal. I think AI po, it's a very powerful tool. And ako po, personally, strong believer po ako ng innovation. I think it's really important. But siguro po not at the expense of yung ninanakaw na yung identity ng mga artists, yung creative rights. Madalas, naging dangerous po kasi siya kapag walang consent ng mga artists na ginagamit yung mga gawa nila. And for sure, yung mga artists yan, from ground up, binuo nila kung sino sila. Talagang pinaghirapan nila yung mga nilalabas nila rin. Kung paano sila nabuo as a person. So, for these softwares or companies to use it without their consent, I think it's very unethical. And I think it should be illegal. Sana po, yung mga gumagawa man ng ganitong mga innovation, dapat mas patindihin pa nila yung rules or maging strict sila pagdating sa paggamit, or siguro dapat yung mga artist has the sole control if gusto nila ipagamit yung identity nila, yung personality nila, or yung creative outputs nila dito sa mga ganitong classical body. So, yun, personally, pero naniniwala po kami na innovation is carrying coin. Kailangan lang ma-regulate na maayos and maprotektahan ng mga artists na talaga naghihirap sa ganitong classical body.